There are multiple navigation entry points on the home interface of the center display. You can navigate home with one tap on the Go Home icon. If both hands are occupied while driving, you can wake up the voice assistant with Hello Smart. For example, Hello Smart, navigate me to the airport. First, start navigation. To search for places visited, tap the navigation icon on the left of the globe and select the desired location in the search history. To search for the nearby charging stations, tap the charging icon in the middle of the globe and select from the recommendations. To search for the nearby parking lots, tap the parking icon on the right of the globe and select from the listed recommendations.